garden, I'm going to show you around the entrance so you know when to turn in once you arrive, okay? So just follow me around. So when you arrive, you'll see a very picturesque scenery, like a farmland. Very nice and beautiful. Take a look, soak it in. And you'll see the sign will say Ramirez Township 12 Concession Road. And that's when you know you're going to turn this direction. Following this arrow here, you'll see the sign that we made for you guys to easily spot our farm. There's a balloon and you'll see the address and the Silver Linings Family Garden at the bottom. You've arrived at the all-famous garden, everyone. As you can see behind Once you arrive, you'll see behind you that there's tables and a chair and a trailer. So then we're gonna set up a gazebo for a shelter there. I'll insert a pic for you to see. Okay, so that's about 80 feet away from the vegetable garden. From the vegetable garden to the farmhouse, it's about 150 feet.
Now we have a toilet in the basement. It's not fully finished, but it's working and open to use for everyone. It comes with a shower and a bathtub, and we'll have a new and fully finished bathroom when you come in for the farm visit. We also have a first aid kit and hand sanitizer, hand masks for you just to be safe during COVID. We can't wait to see you, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!